Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to get your deleted contact bags on your phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you go to your phone settings. So I'm going to go ahead and click on settings right here. After you open up your phone settings, next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down and go ahead and click on Google right here. Then go ahead and proceed with your Google name. Go ahead and click on Google account. Then scroll down right here until you get to people and sharing. Click on that. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on contacts. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider. Go ahead and click on trash. Then here you go. Now you are here. So next thing you want to do right here, you can see deleted on Infinix phone. I'm using Infinix Note 30. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the contact that was deleted on the phone. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on recover right here. Once you click on recover, then the contact will be fully restored and recover back to your contact on your Android phone. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.